Y112, originally Y419, designed by Kitson & Co. in Leeds, England, was built by the Phoenix Foundry in Ballarat in 1889 and entered service on the 24th of July later that year. And just under 137 years on, Steamrail Victoria ran the locomotive to Hurstbridge and back for members and friends of the organisation on the 10th of May 2026, except it didn't. On the morning of the run, it was discovered that Y112 had suffered a fault. Oh no! And the replacement was a duo of diesel-electric locomotives built by Clyde Engineering. Leading the train was 2nd Series T-Class T356, built in 1959, and at the rear was T364, a 3rd Series T-Class built in 1962. Many saw this as a worthy replacement, as a T-Class hasn't hauled a passenger train to Hurstbridge for almost 22 years. We start off the day at Footscray, just after 1 p.m, as the locomotive and its 6 wooden E&W type carriages begin its journey to the North Sea suburbs. We now arrive at the famous Eltham Trestle Bridge, the only remaining operational broad-gauge trestle bridge in suburban Victoria. We now see T356 lead its train over the trestle. Following a short stop at Eltham and Diamond Creek, we see the train shunt into Hurstbridge Yard after the remaining passengers disembark. Due to the late running of the train, passengers were given around an hour to look around the town. Following its break, T364 departs the sidings to pick up passengers for Melbourne. We now see the train just before Diamond Creek. Following a few stops, the train flies over the Darebin Creek Bridge in Elphington. Our coverage will conclude here. Thank you for watching.